Hello guys, good day. How are you and how are you doing today? Welcome to King's Crypto Academy, your number one crypto academy. Alright, in this video I'll be showing you how you can make money. Yes, you hear me clearly. How you can make money on Telegram P2P. So guys, let's get started and let's get into the business. Alright, so now you have your Telegram open. All you need to do next is go straight to this icon here to where your profile is. And this is my second account. I'm not using my main account for safety purpose, so that you guys don't know. Alright, this is a public video. So when you come to this account right here, go to your wallet. When you click on wallet, the next thing, if you have not opened the wallet, if it is your first time opening the wallet, it's going to ask you to agree with the terms and condition, which I have done earlier. So I've agreed with their terms and condition. Then the next thing you want to do is that you want to go to the P2P market. Well, I've shared with you several times how I've made money on crypto P2P trading. The first money I still made today before recording this video was still on P2P. Virtually every day we made money on this platform, a whole lot. I can tell you guys, we have made millions from P2P trading. I remember sharing that with one of my students on one of our mentorship sections, and that was one of them that asked that I should create a video on this so that I can tend to educate them. I was like, no, wala, I'm going to do that so that the public can have the video also and make money. This is what crypto is. Don't forget, in KCA, the only thing we do in KCA, our vision is to help young minds to make foreign currencies remotely. So anything we offer here is based on how you can make money remotely, how you are not tied to office or tied to here or there, how you can make money remotely. I make money remotely and I'm still making money remotely. This video I'm doing right now is not in the office. I'm at home doing this video, and I'm just beside my bed making this video. So guys, this is what we do basically in KCA. Earlier this morning I was still on bed when someone called one of my friends, like, oh, someone straight some number of years. I was like, okay, really? That was the call that actually woke me up, and I tried the dollar immediately and made some things on it. So guys, this is how we make money in KCA. We are not telling you things we have not done. We are telling you things we have practicalized over the years. So that's what I'll be showing you. So just come to the P2P market right here. There are two things you'll be seeing there. You'll be seeing the buy and sell. You'll be seeing my ads. That's if you have any ad on ground that you can buy, then create ads. Where you want to create a new ad, create ad simply means, it doesn't mean advert as well. It's just like to publish your sale. Okay, to go to market, okay, I have dollar for sale in case anyone is interested in buying. So if you have any order that is active, you see them under my order. You see notification. You can set your notification and the likes. That's what that is for. So when you go to the buy icon right now, when you go to the buy icon, you can see how much you can buy for right now. You see 17446, 17449, 174. You can see all the rates, 1750. So you can buy at any rate of your choice here. And if you are selling out, you can see right now, if you are selling, this is how much they are selling at the moment, 1708 and the like. So it's all based on your choice. When you go down, there are people selling at higher rates. You can see as you can see, okay, 1708, 1783, depending on your rate or depending on what you are doing. But why we are here, so you can either buy. If I want to buy right now, all you just need is to go to buy, click on the buy icon right here, then click on how many you want to buy. If I'm buying maybe 5,000 or 10,000 watts or 3,000 watts, okay, show me I'm buying 3,000 watts of USDT. This guy is selling between 2,000 to 49,268. So I can click how much I'm buying, then proceed, make payments, and this guy is going to release that amount of USDT straight to my wallet. But now I'm not even buying. That's not where we're going to directly. If you want to buy from anybody, these are the few things you need to take note of. Don't forget, in this video I'll be showing you 3 things: how you can buy and sell, how you can trade, and how you can make money. So if I'm buying right here, you need to watch out how many trades has this person done in the past. Like this one has done 26 trades. I'm not going to buy from this guy. It doesn't worth it. So I need someone that has done a high number of trades. Like this guy has done over 3,000 trades with 99% ratings. There are 2 things you look out for. Number 1, the number of trades the person has done. Number 2, how many ratings. What is the ratings like? How high is the ratings? Like someone, let's assume this guy has done 3,900 something trade, and this guy just have maybe 80% ratings. I'm not going to buy. The least I buy from is 1,000, minimum 1,000 trade, and minimum 90% ratings. Those are the people I transact with day in, day out. So those are the people I'm looking out for. So those are the things. You don't consider price when it comes to P2P. Forget about this price. Focus on the rating so that your money does not get hooked and you don't get scammed. So that's my professional advice to you. So if you are selling as well, just go to sell. The depending, I can't sell right now because I don't actually have any USDT. So if I'm selling right now, I can come here and sell maybe to this guy if I have USDT. But you can see right now my available balance is 0 USDT. This is a new wallet, there's no money. As me I have there, I can sell to this guy. This guy is ready to buy from me. They are ready to buy from me. So if I'm selling for them, I can sell for them as well. So you can actually go on Bybit and buy dollar at a very lower rate and come here and sell at the higher rate. You still get buyer. It may only take time, but you get buyer. So what guys do is that, for instance, right now they can go to Bybit right now, buy for maybe 1,680, come here sell for 1,708, 1,710, 1,720. Just imagine buy maybe a day you bought $100 for 1,680. That's 168,000. And you now come here and sell for 1,000, maybe 710. That's 171,000 or 100. Yes, that's 171,000 for 100 USD. That's almost 3K or 4K you have made just on the instant. Just when you have like $500 in a day to sell $1,000 in a day, now you should have made more than maybe 20,000 in a day. Guys, I've seen people who are employers of labor just by doing P2P. One of the things we are venturing into is that one of the big exchange where people just trade and transact. I've told you over times we have made money from this, and we are showing you how you can make money from it. So now, how can you list your ad so that people can start seeing you? Like we are seeing these guys here right now that we can buy from them. How can people see you also? The next thing you have to do is you come to my create ad. So come on the create ad icon. When you come to create ad, now you can only sell, you can't buy. You can only sell. You can only sell. You can only sell. If you have yes, you can only sell until you have won their credibility. That way they can now allow you to be a vendor that you are buying from outsiders. Are you getting me? So for now you can only sell. Let's assume I have USD here right now, but my available balance is still 0. I don't have any USD. So you are going to click sell crypto. What do you want to say? Is it USDT? Is it BTC? Is it TON? Is it not coin? Is it DOX? Is it Amstar? You are going to click on any of them you are selling. So you click on sell. Then fiat currency. Which fiat currency are we using? I'm using Naira. I want them to pay me Naira. That's the fiat currency. That's my regular currency I'm spending. Then floating. Please, if you have not clicked on subscribe button, please kindly do so right now. This value is so much. You can't go on this YouTube channel without clicking on the subscribe button. Please hit it right now and hit the notification bell so that anytime I create another valuable content, you'll be among the first people to receive the content. And one thing you don't know is that I create valuable content and timely content. There's some content that when I create them, you are trying to receive them on the spot so that you can make do with it and make money on the spot. By the time you'll be getting them late, if you didn't subscribe to YouTube channel, it will have been outdated and you may not have value for it again. You may not make money with it again. Like for instance, I can just analyze the coin and drop on the YouTube channel. So it's only those who have subscribed to the YouTube channel we get the updates first, and with that also you support KCA and also you help people to see more of our content out there. So you are not just subscribing for subscription's sake, you are subscribing for value sake, guys. So please do that right away. So then NGN, that's what I'm trading with. Floating simply means you want people to, once the price is changing, you can also change. So it's not that you are fixed. No, your price is not fixed. It's floating like this. It can be floated. So then the percentage, I always advise this percentage. This is the current market price, 1,641. So you can make yourself maybe 110% at most. That's what I always advise people to do. So if I'm making 110%, that means I'll be selling for 1,806.18. Shall you get higher than the market price? So I'm making 10% higher than the market price. Shall you get? This is the current market price, but higher than the current market price. Don't exceed 110. Once you exceed 110, you will not get people to buy from you on the spot. Then volume of USDT. So I can here click maybe 50 USD, 100 USD. If I click insufficient balance because I don't have any USD right in this wallet. You see right now it's showing red because 0 USD is what I have here. Then maximum. Now what you need to do between minimum and maximum is that you can press right now that okay, anybody that is buying from me maybe between 2,000 to 10,000 to 50,000. Let me show you an example of that. Let's go back. Let me show you an example of that. Let's go to buy right now. You can see this guy right now. This is the minimum is selling from 1,600 to 2,600, 263,000. You get? Now, why do you need to have this is minimum here? This is maximum. But why do you need to have such a thing? Why do you need to have minimum lower so that you can get multiple orders? And the more you get multiple orders, the more it increase your ratings. The more people get to see you. You get? So increase your ratings. At the moment, if you are just starting this business, you want people to see you. You want people to see. So this is not the time to be proving a point. You want people to see you, so you have to increase your number of orders. So right there, you can say minimum. I can say 1,600, and I can choose to also say maybe 90,000 minimum. That's my choice. That's my choice. So you get, but don't do this if you have not grown higher. Let people fill you with multiple orders for now, and when you even have small orders, another advantage is that you can actually increase the price and just make money. So you get, but when it's bulk order, the value is always low as well. So you get, so you need that. Those are part of the tricks I'm giving you. Ensure you subscribe to this channel and like our video, and also drop a comment. So then the maximum, that's the maximum number of years you have. So you get, so you set the maximum price in there also. So the payment time out within 15 minutes, okay, for regular payment time out, maximum 15 to 30 minutes. You can choose either 30 minutes, you can click on 15 minutes, you see other hours, but advise you 15 to 30 minutes. If the person don't make the payment within that, the order will automatically cancel, and that's really fair on your part, and that's good for you as a beginner. So when you click on buy right now, I can actually start buying. I've not actually met up with the criteria, so until I meet up with the criteria, which is consistently trade, then I can then start buying from others as well. So this is how you can create an ad, this is how you can trade, this is how you can buy anything you are buying. We're reflecting right here on your wallet, right here on your wallet. You're going to be seeing them on your wallet here, how many USD you have and the assets you have. See more assets here. You can buy coin, you can buy Dogecoin. These are the coin. You can buy XM, buy these are the coin. You can actually trade on this platform. So the more you have, the more it reflects on your platform here. Then if you want to also trade it, you can also easily sell it out to other people. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video, and ensure you subscribe so that you get more valuable content. I love you so much. My name is King's Crypto Academy. You can also find us on Telegram. You can see the link below on our Telegram channel, t.kca Crypto Academy. Also on WhatsApp, we are live there. You can find out my WhatsApp number directly for a direct chat, 08162053748, or right there on Telegram, t.mekca_king. You can reach out to me directly for more valuable content. We have a lot of content there that you can always have value for. Thank you for joining, and do have a wonderful day.